After 3 days, nakabuo na rin si Marco ng pinball. This is a fully functional DIY mechanical 3D pinball. Lahat ng nakikita nyo, from slides to scoreboard to bells and even the bumpers, lahat yan built from scratch. Sa magkabila ang sides naman, may makikita kang buttons para ma-flick mo yung bola. This can be powered by a simple USB power bank. At pag kinabit mo siya, it's complete of lights and sounds. Dito sa ilalim, meron siyang switch para continuous yung sounds niya while you're playing. Para malaro mo siya, ilagay mo yung bola dito sa gitna. Pero kung nawala mo yung bola, okay lang kasi marami kang spare balls na nakalagay dito. Pihitin mo to and release. Tapos makakapaglaro ka na. Bokya agad. Ito naman yung natitira mong buhay. So, 2 out of 6 lives left. Meron rin siyang built-in sensor, nagkakaroon ng score kapag nadaanan. At pag na-hit mo yung maximum score na 1,000, magre-reset na yung board. Yun lang.